We have 4 new fosters, a little group of Siamese kittens. They're all siblings. We've got one gray one, Jake. And then that little one over there climbing the wall is National. And then the one licking his booty is the General. And then this cute one in the front is our only girl, Progressive. Hello. Hello. They don't know how to meow. I think only Jake I've heard meow. But they're very busy little kitties. They get a lot of medicine right now. They just got it, including their breathing treatment, their B12 shots, their antibiotics, their Albon, and I think that's it. 4 medicines. And they have a little snack of baby formula. Although they're doing pretty good with their hard food too. You hear it sneezing back there. They have sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes. Yes, you share with everybody, don't ya? So we're gonna keep them in their pen here. Are you gonna come visit me? You gonna come visit me? Mm-hmm. No? They're a little timid.